So arthritis is an autoimmune condition, and basically it is your body fighting itself. It is thinking that it is under attack and it needs to go attack the source, and so it ends up in your joints very often. And unfortunately, your body ends up devouring itself and in a constant state of inflammation that reinforces, I need to continue fighting, but it's fighting itself. So the more it does that, the more you degrade and you get pain, you get immobilized, etc. So stem cells are very applicable to that. If you said, what are stem cells great at? Arthritis probably is their clearest thing, because what they do, they are not a cure for the underlying source of arthritis. So that's a topic for a different discussion, but they do reset and remodulate your autoimmune system. And so someone who's suffering from arthritis, their body is believing it's under attack. It's reacting to that attack, almost like as if my body thinks I have the flu, then it gives me cold and fever and chills and things to try to kill the flu virus. Well, in this case, RA or arthritis in general, is basically saying, I believe there's a problem, and there may be, but the body's response to it is not helpful. The body is over-responding to it and then is harming itself. And unless you break that cycle, then you end up with just continuous growth of arthritis. So stem cells are very effective in remodulating your autoimmune system and then getting that under control. Second stage of that then is looking at, well, what was it that was triggering your body to overreact?
That was J.T. Fisher, co-founder of OR Hope, a one-of-a-kind concierge service for stem cells and regenerative health. Now, watch this next brief video to understand the OR Hope difference and why it matters for you.